Okay, we have now installed Git, and let's head on to install some package managers. For instance, we can install NPM, which is Node JS package manager, and head on to this nodejs.org website and just download the installer. This is the long time support version. This is the recommended one, so let's go for that. So Node.js contains this package manager NPM, so we need to install Node.js. So Node.js is downloading here. We're gonna keep it. Showing Finder, Node.js. Let's control click this and select open. Yeah, continue. I want to approve the term of use. Install. Put in my password. That is my password for my computer. So close. And let's head on to the terminal. So now we can check the version. Node -- version. So we have it installed. Nice. The package manager updates more than Node.js does. So from time to time you should update the npm package manager. You do this by typing npm install npm-g. All right, we got some errors here. Let's see. So we have npm installed is version 2.15.9, and I think you may need to use sudo, a super user, as when you do upgrade this. Please try running this command again as root administrator. So let's try that. So we go sudo. My password. Yeah, seems to be working. So let's do npm version 3.10. And before we had 2.15.9, so now we have updated our npm package manager to version 3.10.7. So great. Okay, a little problem with having to write sudo every time. It can mess things up. So a good idea is to change these directories that require you to be sudo and require you to do the sudo commands for npm install. And you could do this. So where on your system is npm installed? npm config get prefix. And then it says that it lives in /user/local. So if we take a look at this folder, user local lib and node modules, we see that all these files here are root privileged. So we can change that. And there are a couple of other folders that you can change. So it's 3 folders, let's change them. First of all, we know that our username is Nick here. So this is the first change. We change recursively. This change the owner, and we change this to Nick. And this is the folder, user local lib node modules. We change that. And if we do LSLA on that folder again, now we see here that we have changed the permissions for these folders. Great. Let's run another one. And this is the local bin folder. And let's run a third one. And this is the share folder. So now if we do an update of NPM, we shouldn't be forced to use sudo. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it seems to work. We didn't need to use the sudo directive, and we didn't get any errors. So this can be done if you're the only owner of the computer, and most people are in the same position as I do. They are the only user of their computer. But in case you are several users, this method may not be the best choice. In that case, you should use the config prefix method, and it includes changing your path variables. And yeah, I won't go into that because this is working for me, and yeah, I'm the only user, so I just changed the permission of the folders or files, so that works. So that would be how you installed Node JS and NPM. Let's continue with another package controller in the next video. See ya.